Highway Products is proud to introduce our new Truckslide XT1200. A 1,200-pound capacity truck slide is a perfect solution for any truck. However, especially helpful if your truck has a tonneau cover or a truck cap. Our fully formed aluminum trays are made from one sheet of 1/8 inch aluminum. No wood, no plastic, no composites here. The 5-inch side rails prevent your cargo from sliding off the tray and add structural strength to the entire system. Hex holes are punched for tie-down straps and E-track slots for accessories. When the slide is extended from the bed, it instantly creates side access points for easy loading and unloading. Accessing cargo from the side of your truck slide immediately adds convenience to your day because you never have to crawl on the bed of your truck. Keeping both feet on the ground when accessing your truck bed cargo drastically reduces the risk of injury to your back and knees. Save your body with a truck slide by eliminating extra body movements like crawling, awkward reaching, and bending. The T-Bone track system consists of 10-gauge galvanized steel tracks and chrome-sealed bearings. These rust-free components work together for smooth sliding so that you can easily slide the tray in and out with one hand. Without a truck slide, it makes it difficult for me to grab items out of my truck bed. I can only reach so far before I have to crawl inside and move things around to get to this bag of feed. And it's hard for me to grab items out of the back. This is inconvenient, inefficient, and adds unnecessary wear and tear to your body. Adding a truck slide to this scenario instantly gives me full access to the truck bed. It's simple. Engage the pull-out handle and slide the tray out with one hand. With minimal efforts and reduced body movements, I easily have 100% access to the bed. I can say hi to my dog, hi buddy, and easily grab what I need. Having full access to your truck bed at waist height increases efficiency and adds security by reducing trips in and out of the bed. Easily add an E-track anchor point system and tie-down straps to increase security and organization. There'll be times that you're parked on uneven ground. This truck slide comes with safety stab locks that allows you to stop the truck slide at every 10 inches. This safety feature gives you full control of your truck slide at all times. If you're parked on an uphill, it's not going to come sliding out at you. All Highway Product truck slides are made in the USA and backed by our lifetime warranty.